I really do like that slug.
Slippers looks pretty cool, right? Mom.
What?
Look at the new Chop Chop. Is he cool or what? Dad, look at this new Skylander.
Beautiful.
Look at the new form of this.
I love it.
Now I have new and old Chop Chop.
Thank you.
I'll be playing
You're
as
welcome.
John. What? When we play it, first one to be the new Chop Chop. I'll be the old Chop Chop. That'll make it funny, right? Yeah. I can be the new Chop Chop though. Nice. I think this comes with a poster for Skylander Giants. But I don't know why that the stickers are smaller than Skylander Giants. I got Tree Rex. I call.
Oh, very nice. Ooh.
You're letting me first play
I love
Shrew,
it.
I
right?
knew you would.
Hey Dad, this is what